person wants to go to the gym, they have no idea where to start. Sick of being overweight, and they don't know where to start with losing weight. So losing weight is first off a nutrition game. It's solely based off of the overall food you intake compared to what you burn. But the thing is, the amount of calories you burn from exercising is relatively extremely low versus how many calories you need to just keep you alive and do all your metabolic activities, like to help you breathe, to help you digest food, to help repair the cells in your body, to help you make new skin cells. All those different things take a lot of energy to do to keep you alive, to keep your heart beating, etc. So that's the first thing. You can go to the gym, and that will help you get some more muscle, which can burn more calories at rest, which is really crucial for losing weight. But if you just plan on going and just doing the treadmill for 30 minutes, 30 to 60 minutes, 5 times a week, it's going to, one, not be very enjoyable, likely, but two, it's going to cut off very quickly because the calories you're burning from that session, it ends right when you're done with the session. It doesn't go long. So nutrition-wise, I would look at your diet and see what's kind of up. What are the struggle points? You could probably notice a few right off the bat, and I think just becoming self-aware, spending a couple weeks, maybe calorie calculating just to see all the different foods and how many calories are in the foods you're eating. That can give you a good ballpark of like how much you're actually consuming through the day, because a lot of people don't realize how many calories are in food that they're eating, and they also don't realize how many calories that they are eating, period. So calorie counting can be a good tool to at least help you do that initially. I don't think you should and need to do that long term. And I think it can kind of become obsessive and unhealthy if you do it long term. I did it long term and it did become very obsessive and unhealthy for me. And it's something I still kind of struggle with after 10 plus years in the fitness industry of sometimes overanalyzing calories in food. So it's kind of that fine line where you want to know the overall amount of calories in food, but not too much to where it's mentally causing you to go into this mode of calculating every single thing in every single meal instead of just enjoying the wonderful food in front of you. Once you kind of realize how many calories you're eating, you can then go to any calorie calculator online. I like the NIH Bodyweight Calorie Calculator. That can give you a good framework. So NIH Bodyweight Calorie Calculator on Google, type that in, and you can get your overall calories you need. And then when you're at the gym, if you are comfortable, and again, this isn't for everyone, but if you're comfortable and you don't feel self-conscious going to the gym, literally go to the gym, set a timer for 30 minutes, 45 minutes, an hour, however much time you have, and just do whatever sounds okay. Although I do think having a plan when you go in is nice, sometimes that's paralyzing because a lot of people can't find a perfect plan or they don't know what type of plan is. Guys, here's the deal with fitness. Once you start doing it, you're going to find the things that you enjoy and you're going to find and basically create a plan for yourself. So yeah, ideally I could create a plan for somebody. Yeah, go in, do a light warm up on the cardio. That's 5 minutes. Light treadmill walk, maybe into a jog, then do 30 minutes of weight training with light to moderate weights, little rest in between, and then after that, do some gentle stretching. That whole thing will take you about 45 to 60 minutes, but some people might not be fully into that yet. So if all you do is go in and hop on the treadmill for 10 minutes and that's it for the day, perfect. Start there. If all you do is go in, hammer out a couple machines, just even see what the gym looks like, get some ideas for next time, boom, that's all you do for the day. You're going to be doing this for a long time if you really are into it and you actually want to see results. So it won't be perfect right away. I'm like 10 plus years into this. I still change my workout routine. I still go in sometimes with having no idea exactly what I'm going to do. I have a general idea, but then there's sometimes I'm like, ooh, I haven't done that exercise in a really long time. And I really want to hit that muscle because I haven't hit that muscle in a really long time. Or I saw this exercise and I'm going to try it because it looked really fun and something I wanted to do. That's where working out gets fun. Don't overcomplicate these things. Go in, look at the machines, try some of the different machines, try all the different things, and you are going to be good to go. And also too, be okay starting at home. There's a lot of good fitness routines that you can start that are online on YouTube, lots of good videos. That may give you a little bit of confidence before you get in. Also, again, sorry, add into this, but there are a lot of good instructional videos on how to use exercise machines before you even go to the gym. So I have a lot of these on my channel too. How to use an assisted dip machine, how to use a pull-up machine, how to use a Stairmaster machine, all these different types of things. I have a video on actually how to change the weights on barbells. So people like me, and hopefully, a lot of other people, have made it easier for people starting to get in the gym, because you can basically know a lot of the ins and outs of the gym before you even step in there, almost like you have had a gym membership for a long time, but without that kind of trial and error embarrassment like a lot of us went through when we first started the gym.